Welcome to Treasures of Bako. Have we got a gem for you? As afternoon light filters through lace, a milk glass compote blooms, its rim a rolled cascade of crimped elegance atop a pedestal of poised stability. The opaque white glows with subtle translucence, inviting light to dance in soft harmony. Discovered in an estate's tranquil archive, this unmarred piece radiates vintage charm, ready to hold sweets or adorn with graceful presence. Let it evoke salons where whispers mingle with delight, stirring souls with memories of refined repose. Watch as it transforms the table into a poetic haven. Discovered by Treasures of Bako, have we got a gem for you? Click the follow and subscribe button to discover more hidden gems, and check out our website at treasuresofbako.com.